hope everybody's enjoying their Super Bowl weekend. I hope traders and investors alike were green on Friday. In this video, I want to do another video talking about how to profit using our videos, using the resources and the opportunities that we provide to everyone. So we're going to talk about a lot going back to obviously the Moderna charts going back over a week. We're going to go back and talk about some things we talked about in last Sunday's video and last Wednesday's video. The market has been very agreeable with the way we were looking at the market, and we've been able to make money, and we're hoping, we already know everybody watching these videos is making money because you're following along properly, right? So I also want to kind of use the easy button to try to get some easy plays to get people who don't want to put a lot of effort into their trading, but who just want to come in here, use it maybe more of a hobby. I don't believe in hobby trading. I believe in using trading as a business, but just trying to show an easier way to make money for a lot of people who are struggling trading, or people who are not struggling, who just want better ideas, who want to make money. So for Moderna, we talked about Moderna possibly forming a head and shoulders pattern before it ever formed a head and shoulders pattern. So you could have drawn this out, had your line drawn, set an alert for breaking below this neckline, set a alert for price. So let you know when you break below this neckline. You could have went in, opened up contracts, or opened up a position using options, using the exact same strategy I've been talking about in the Discord here recently. And I looked at the options that were at the money at the time, and even that would put it at the money right now. All the strikes moved 100%, over plus 100%. And by using that strategy that I'm talking about, you could even keep rolling your options out, and that's just when you close a position and open up a option that's farther out in the money that allows you, which is cheaper. This allows you to lock in some profits and stay in the game. So this is a way to make very good money using Moderna, using the charts that we trade. Just to point this out, Moderna is flagging right now, and we know these head and shoulders patterns. They do a series of flags. So on the way down, they'll flag, and break out for a further move down. Now this could push up. Don't get me wrong. So we're watching this right now at this. So you can see we're below support right here, or below resistance right now. The 9's coming down, so we're watching to see how this flag acts, to see if we can get a move lower. So if you go back to next Friday's video, I talked about ARK, and I pointed out this candle that on ARK, and I talked about this on more than one chart as well. But this candle right here, you can see the bulls were in charge of the market. We were pushing up. For some reason, the market gapped down. So with this market gapping down, this is you could see the candle opened up down here, and the bulls ripped this market back up. Even with this gap down, they pushed this market way back up. And for some reason, there were some people second guessing their positions on the stock. You can see them, they started locking in profits, but you can see the bears give back a lot of the control of this candle. So that's a sign right there that, hey, character is changing on this chart. You can see the strength difference in this one candle. Let us know that we were possibly getting ready to pull back. You could have went short here. For me, it would have been more about waiting to break below the 9. In this situation, you could have set a price alert to your 9, and you could have opened up a position there. Once again, you could have used the strategies I've been talking about here recently, and you could have made good money even using that strategy. So if you go to coin was another candle that I pointed out. It's even bigger move down, even a stronger move up, cleared the previous candle, but they give it back. You can see there was definitely some opinions changing in the market right there. And you can see how we rolled over. So that right there would have made a good opportunity. Let's go to Tesla. I have more opportunities to talk about. Now this Tesla opportunity was presented in a Discord. So I want to talk about this a minute. Please, if you're not in a Discord, we're going to talk about some more opportunities that come into the videos. So we posted this head and shoulders pattern on Thursday after hours, Friday pre-market. And you can see this little head and shoulders. There was a gap down here. Drawing at this point here, you could have started drawing your trend line, coming into market open, been like, wow, we just come back and retested our trend line. That would have made it a very easy play. That was an easy money play. You could use multiple strikes there. There was plenty of choices there, but you could have still traded the one strategy we've been talking about and made great money on that move down. So let's go to FCX. This is another chart pattern that we were watching. And this was a diamond. Let's go to the daily. You can see right here, I don't have it drawn. There's your diamond right there. So this candle was actually the first candle breaking out of the diamond. Your conservative trader waits for a retest. So right here, Thursday would have put you very nicely. We gapped up, and then the bulls took it back, entering below this 9 or even better, waiting to break below this candle. Friday could have been some nice opportunities. And understanding the breakout coming back for a retest could, that right there provided opportunities. All right, we broke out. Well, I think we're going to go back for a retest. Let me open up calls here. Let me open up puts on the way down. It's the easiest way to trade that, that I know of, and be able to make very good money without limiting your money using things like spreads and things like that. And there's nothing wrong with trading like that. So another opportunity we talked about last Sunday's video. I keep forgetting the end of the week, the weekend. So let's go to the 15-minute chart here on IWM. We mentioned that we had a double top here, almost a double top here on the 15-minute chart, and we could be looking for a move down on that. And then you can see we opened up this week and the market pulled back. So we pointed out several different, opportunities that the market was possibly getting ready to pull back. That was huge alone. Let's go to JP Morgan. This is another chart that worked last week, worked great. You can see if we go to the daily here, let's go back to the daily. We have a symmetrical triangle, but even better, we had a symmetrical triangle. We broke out a symmetrical triangle with a bullish engulfing candle. So Monday and Tuesday was a nice play up. You could have opened up a position here. Price looks like price gap down, then pushed back up. The entry would have been breaking above the top of this candle line. That could have been a nice entry and pushing higher. Using many strikes would have worked here, but using the what we've been talking about here in the Discord would have been the easiest way. It's like hitting the easy button. Also, let's talk about the SPY Wednesday's night's video, and we talked about this on a lot of charts. So, but we had this is called a bearish Arami or a bearish inside day. We were expecting downside off of that, and a lot of stuff has started moving lower. So this is just to point out a few of the many opportunities we offer in each video for everybody to, just to make money. We want everybody making money, everybody on their way to financial freedom and changing their life. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy the Super Bowl. Please stay safe. No drinking and driving. Please remember, discipline is the key to your success in trading. See you in the trading room.